that way, Dad.
Yes, mate, we're going down here. I'm going to pull where it goes. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are from the whole wide world. Yes, it's Man Pickering with another video. And yes, as you can see, we've got Callum Whitey. Where is it?
Hello.
Yeah, we've come to Fox Hagg Local Nature Reserve. Never been here before. It's in Riverling Valley. It looks quite decent. There's some woods. We've only walked a little bit so far, and we're going to go further up that way because we don't want to go the other way because there's a great big hill. And Callum and hills don't mix, do they, mate?
No, they don't.
Don't forget to go to Callum's vlogs. He says he's not doing a YouTube video this time around, but he is going to do a TikTok and Instagram and all that malarkey, so I'll follow him on there. What's your Instagram again?
So my Instagram is Callum_vlogs_YT, and my TikTok is Callum_Pickers44.
There you go. So go and follow them and see what pictures he puts up, and probably do a little video or something.
Do like old behind the scenes stuff. I do football stuff. I do photography stuff. I do might be wrestling stuff soon.
Yeah, surprise. So yeah, so it's a surprise. Yes. Well, it's slightly giving the ball away there. Anyway, yeah. Right then, guys. Yeah. Enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.